If you want to make your video playback faster, the way to do that is to find a clip where you want to change the speed and then come over here to where it says speed. And then you have standard, which is the first tab here. And by default, it's at 1x. It's playing at normal speed and it's just a regular video. If you dial this to the left, this is going to put it into slow motion. So you can see that it now says 0.5x. That's going to play at half speed. And you can see that my clip, the selected clip, just doubled in length because it's going to take twice as long to play. And it looks like that. It's basically in slow motion. And then to make this faster, you can do the opposite. So I can make it 2x. That's going to play twice as fast. Fast forward speed, basically. It looks like this. Now it's super fast. Back to speed. And I could change it with these numbers as well, or I can just click in there and type something all the way up to 31x at the fastest. That'll be like so fast you can barely even see it, but that is an option for you. Let me scroll back down to 1x. And then below that, it tells you the duration. So right now at 1x, this clip is 3.1 seconds long. If I bump it up to 2x, it's going to be 1.6 seconds long. And I can change it if I change this number. So if I say I want this section to just be half a second long, it's going to automatically change the speed to fit that. So it's going to bump it up to 6x by changing the duration to 0.5 seconds. But I can bump it all the way, keep going until I get back to 3.1. And now it's at 1x again. Keep pitch. So when you play around with the speed, when it's fast, it's going to get higher pitched. And when it's slow, it's going to get lower pitched. You've probably heard that before, the chipmunk voice when it's too fast, and then the really deep voice when it's slow. So keep pitch is going to use AI to try to keep the original pitch. It doesn't work perfectly, but it's worth keeping on if that's important. Curve, this is going to be, rather than a consistent speed like we had with this, where it's just the whole clip is going to be 2x or 3x or whatever you set it at, curve is going to be variable. So in the case of montage, if I apply this little illustration here, this line is telling you what it's going to do. It's going to start at normal speed. It's going to get faster as it goes up in that curve. Then it's going to drop to get slow all the way down. Then it's going to get faster back to regular speed. And so that's how you kind of read these graphs. And you can scroll down and see it illustrated down here as well. And then you can change, there's little points along the path where you could change how you want that curve to look. So yeah, that's how you read these. And let's just go ahead and try a montage so you can see how it looks. So just like that, it started super fast, got slow, and then went out at a normal speed. So all of that was under the speed setting, and you have a lot of fun with that adding to your videos. Click on this video next to join me in lesson 12.